Good morning, students. We will do the next topic in admission of partner, that is related to reserves and accumulated profits and losses. Now, see, when a new partner is admitted at that time, there may be a situation when partner's balance sheet has certain reserves and or it has accumulated profits which partners have not shared among themselves, because every time we keep certain profits as reserve in order to meet unexpected future losses that may happen because of any event which is not beyond our control. So every business position is strong or not depends on how much reserves you have to meet your losses or to meet unexpected expenses that are coming in future. So every business, if you want to be on the safer side, you keep certain reserves that are taken out from your profits. You don't distribute your profits, but you keep them as reserves, or your profits are not shared, they are there in your balance sheet. So now what you will do with those profits, or what you will do with the reserves when a new partner is being admitted. Now see, when a new partner is being admitted, he will share all the future profits and losses, but all the profits and losses that are there in your balance sheet, those profits and losses belong to the old partners and in their old ratio. So what you will do, all the profits that are there on the balance sheet liability side, or there are any loss which is there on the asset side, you are going to give it and distribute it to the old partners in their in their old ratio. Now for example, in case there are profits will always be reflected on the liability side, because they again you have, it's a liability towards the owner of the business. So all the profits are on the liability side, so they have a credit balance. So when you have to distribute, you have to debit all the profits that are available. It may be general reserve, or it may be profit and loss, or it may be contingency reserve. So anything that is there on the liability side of balance sheet, that is a reserve which is not yet distributed among the partners, you are going to debit everything, and the old partners you are going to credit, and this you will credit and total this amount and give it to the old partners in their old ratio. If there is any past losses will always be there on the asset side of the balance sheet, because debit all expenses and losses, they will be there on the debit side. You may either have profit and loss. If it is on the asset side, it will be your loss, past loss. Advertisement suspense, it can be preliminary expenses. There may be many losses that are there. So all those losses, because they were debited, now when you have to write them off, you have to credit all the losses. So all the losses will be credited and old partners will be debited. This amount will be given to old partners in their old ratio. So these two adjustments you have to do if nothing is ventured in the question. But in certain cases, see, sometimes partners do agree among themselves that they are going to carry forward all the profit and losses which are there in the balance sheet, that they are not going to distribute, because for future also they need certain reserves in their balance sheet. Now in that case, if partner decide to carry forward all the profits and losses at book value, but the new partner who is coming in, he will be sharing in the profits and he will be sharing in the losses also. So he will have to, give his share right now. So what you will do, say, when a new partner is admitted, first of all you will prepare your working note like this. All the profits that are there in the balance sheet, say you have two reserves, general reserve and profit and loss, you will add them. You will deduct all the losses that are there, like advertisement suspense. So the net amount is 2,50,000. And when a new partner is being admitted, he is going to share 1/5 in future. So he is going to gain 50,000 out of the past losses. So when a new partner is being admitted, we are going to take this 50,000 from him, and that 50,000 is going to be given to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio, so that later on they will get a less amount and the C will also get the amount that he has gained. So what will be your journal adjusting entry? It will be gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. So now gaining partner has gained 1/5 of the total gain. So what is the total profits available? 250. He has gained 1/5. So 50,000 C is going to give to A and B. And A and B, say A and B have sacrificing ratio of 3:2. So this 50,000 will be given to A and B in the ratio of 3:2, that is 30 and 20,000. This you will do only when this information is there in the quotient, that partners decide to carry forward their profits and losses at book value. But if no such information is there, then all the profits and losses are going to be distributed to the old partners in their old ratio. So just do your questions on this topic. This was a short and a simple topic.